Let's speak about reporting. As a supervisor and a guest, you will have access to the reporting in MX. Reports are available in the favorite menu or through the menu here. We have different categories: work report, stock report, inventory report, part consumption report. Those reports are financial and technical. In case you choose a category, you can access directly here, and you will have then the possibility to filter and to choose the report you want, and then to access directly to your report. This report can be exported as well in a very easy way to PDF or Excel. This is the annual preventive maintenance schedule. Otherwise, we have an example of work reports as well, with the possibility to see technical and financial analysis. In my case, I have chosen Pareto charts by family or work type, for example. And if I'm clicking here, I can see the list of the most expensive families in terms of assets. And I can see here, for example, some graphical information as well. On the top of the standard analysis, we have a Power BI MX analytics tools available for our customers.